In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Nintendo Switch 2 is not connecting to your Wi-Fi and you're experiencing network issues. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your console, and then after about 4 to 5 seconds this will pop up, and we're going to go to power options and you want to power off your console fully. Now with it turned off, also unplug your home network for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in, and then boot up your console and see if your Wi-Fi works. Now, if it doesn't, we're going to go to System Settings on the home menu, then scroll down to Internet and scroll over, and we're going to go to Internet Settings. And another reason why you might be experiencing issues is that your console is too far away from your router. So try and get it as close to your router as possible without any obstructions. And if you're still experiencing problems, select your Wi-Fi network, and you want to clear the settings. Now, this is going to deregister your Wi-Fi network from your console, so it'll appear under Networks Found, and you want to reconnect to it, and then you want to test and see if your Wi-Fi works. Now, another thing you can try is to select your Wi-Fi network and go to Change Settings. And then once you're here, we're going to scroll down where it says DNS Settings, and you can change this from automatic to manual. Now, under the primary DNS, we're going to be using the Google DNS. You could also use the Cloudflare DNS. For Google, we're going to type in 8.8.8.8. You could also try Cloudflare, which is 1.1.1.1. Then you want to press OK. And for the secondary DNS, you can erase all these numbers. For the Google DNS, it's 8.8.4.4. If you wanted to try Cloudflare, it's 1.0.0.1. And then after you've input that, you just want to go to Save. Now, after you've saved these settings, test out your Wi-Fi to see if it's working. And if you're still experiencing issues, we're going to go back into Settings. And what I recommend you do is scroll down to the bottom, and where it shows MTU, by default, it's going to be set to 1400, but I recommend you change this to 1500, as this will help increase the packet size, similar to the default setting on PlayStation 5 or Xbox, and this may help improve your speeds if you're able to connect to your Wi-Fi. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.